Ayurveda can be defined as a system that uses the inherent principle of nature to help maintain health in a person by keeping the individual's body, mind, and spirit in a perfect equilibrium with nature. Ayurveda is a Sanskrit term made up of the word Ayu and the Veda. Ayu means life and the Veda means knowledge or a science. The term Ayurveda thus means the knowledge of life or the science of life. According to ancient Ayurvedic scholar Charak, Ayu comprises the mind, body, sense, and the soul. The principle of this ancient wisdom reminds us that the entire web of life is intricately interwoven. With a unique emphasis on total wellness, the art and the science of Ayurveda work to harmonize our internal and external world. Widely regarded as the oldest form of the healthcare in the world, Ayurveda is an intricate medical system that organized in India thousands of years ago. The fundamentals of Ayurveda can be defined in Hindu scripture called Vedas, the ancient Indian books of wisdom. The Rig Veda contain a series of prescriptions that can help humans overcome various ailments. The most famous of these texts are the Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, and the Ashtanga Hridayam, which concentrate on internal medicine, surgery, and all 8 clinical branches of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is based on the premise that the universe is made up of the 5 elements: air, fire, water, earth, and the ether. Ayurveda groups these 5 elements into 3 basic types of energy and functional principles that are present in everybody and everything. Since there are no single words in English to describe these principles, we use the Sanskrit word dosha or the energies Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. When any of these dosha accumulate in a body beyond the desirable limits, the body loses its balance. Every individual has a distinct balance, and our health and well-being depends on getting the right balance of the 3 dosha. Ayurveda suggests a specific lifestyle and a nutritional guideline to help individuals reduce the excess dosh. A healthy person, as defined in Sushruta Samhita, one of the primary work on Ayurveda, is he whose dosha are in a balance. Appetite is good. All tissues of the body and all natural organs are functioning properly, and those mind, body, and the spirit are cheerful. Everything that is experienced, be it a physical substance, a thought, or emotion, has certain qualities. The ancient texts of Ayurveda classify these qualities, called guna in Sanskrit, into 10 pairs of opposite, making 20 qualities total. Theoretically, everything in the universe can be described in a term of these guna or qualities, include the dosha. Ayurveda customizes preventative wellness to the unique constitution of every individual. In addition, ancient Ayurvedic doctors produced detailed description of acute and chronic condition and developed extensive holistic treatment protocols. Preventative care and treatment of disease fall under Ayurveda's 8 branches, which includes Kaya Chikitsa, Bala Chikitsa, Bhuta Vidya, Shalakya Tantra, Shalya Tantra, Vishagra Virodha Tantra, Jara Chikitsa, Vajikarna. In addition, Ayurveda offers one of the world's most comprehensive cleansing protocols known as Panchakarma. This ancient practice uses 5 primary therapies to release and eliminate accumulated toxin from deep within the tissues and return the dosha to their proper seat in the body. The aim of this system is to prevent illness, heal the sick, and preserve life. Ayurveda Shastra aim at keeping a healthy person healthy and managing or curing disease that manifest in a person. Swasthasya swasthya rakshanam aturasya vikara prasamanam.